So no less, no rights, no respect. They try to keep us down, but we won't accept. We'll rise up, unite, fight for what's correct. We're bringing the fire, no time to deflect. Ooh yeah, freedom. We demand our freedom. No more shackles. We won't let them beat them. Freedom. We fight for our freedom. We won't back down. We won't be defeated. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We use cryptocurrencies. It's freedom money. Bitcoin cash for the masses. It's clear like glasses, seeing through the fog. Crypto is freedom. We're bringing the fire. Bitcoin cash we desire. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Freedom above all else. Crypto is like a virus. It infects the norm. It decentralizes a storm. Everywhere you go, it's time to demand freedom. Stand up and fight. The world is our coliseum. Oh yeah, freedom. We demand our freedom.